guess I texted him that. Yep, texted him. There she is. It takes her that long to walk 5 feet to the door. Man, this client is ridiculous. And she does this on purpose. This little attitude. Yeah. Yeah, her little attitude doesn't. Yeah. Yeah, here's me think. Oh, now she disappears. Fucking bitch. Are you serious? She's walking away. What the fuck? You didn't give me a chance to fucking tell. I'm in the park. Fucking bitch. She just walks away. She walks in the other direction. What the fuck? A fucking bitch. I'm not calling again. I'm in the parking lot. I'm right by the back door. Fucking bitch. I saw you. You don't even fucking. You don't pay attention. Pay attention, bitch. Great, I'm with her on Monday and Tuesday now. Great. To deal with her fucking yelling, her bad attitude all day long. She did not go upstairs. She just made it look like she did. Fucking bitch. I think she's trying to keep that phone hostage. I am not playing that. I'm not playing that at all. Let me call her because she better not be keeping that phone because I'm not playing that. I am not playing that. Well, I'm by the back door, so fucking, yeah, fucking bitch. Well, I'm by the back door. Can't even talk. Like, you don't even let me talk. You keep hanging up on people. Well, I saw you through the mirror. So, yeah, busted. Yep. Yeah, you just walked up. You only walked like a few feet past the front door. Don't even with me. Don't play games with me. I am not playing that. I don't play that game. Like when you say something, I'm in the car, you dumbass. You don't pay attention. It's the problem. Oh boy, I hate this fucking bitch so much. I hate her so fucking much. She is such a liar. Fucking liar, I know. She did not go upstairs. I don't think she did. She actually pretending to go upstairs. Fucking attitude. Hey, she didn't even give me a chance to tell her I'm in the parking lot, Fucking bitch. Like, she's very rude. She just hangs up on people for no reason. Like, I'm over here going out of my way when I have something very important I need to do before the store closes. Sheesh. Boy. And they're close soon, too. She's not coming back here. Fucking bitch. I'm gonna have to call her again. Oh, you gotta get your butt back here. By the back door. When you say something, you're on the fucking phone all the time. That's the problem. You're too distracted. Always on the damn phone. There she is. Miss Attitude. No, I clearly. Well, you're always on the phone. I mean, you don't let people talk, so. Oh boy. Damn, you're on the fucking phone. You don't let people talk. Let's check it.
Hey, Train Seacrest, with more variety for the 2000s, the 90s, and today on Star 1013.
I used to believe we were burning on the edge of something beautiful, stuck in a dream, smoking mirrors keep us waiting on a miracle, So go through the darkest of days, having to heartbreak away, never let you go, never let me down. Oh, it's been a hell of a ride, driving the edge of a knife, never let you go, never let me down. Don't you give up, nah, 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 I won't give up, nah, 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 let me love you, let me love you. Don't you give up, nah, 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 I won't give up, nah, 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 let me love you, let me love you. Go through the darkest of days, having to heartbreak away, never let you go, never let me down. Oh, it's been a hell of a ride, driving the edge of a knife, never let you go, never let me down. Don't you give up, nah, 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 I won't give up, nah, 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 let me love you, let me love you. Don't you give up, nah, 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 I won't give up, nah, 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 let me love you, let me love you.
Hopefully I can get up almost here because I really need to. Boy, I really need to, but yeah. Maybe someone else, not that rude woman that was there last time, just fucking rude. That woman was rude.